As soon as we walked into this apartment, we fell in love with it. It was completely different. Everything was changed, but you could feel from the beginning that this house had a soul. It was very special. I knew, my gut feeling told me that this was going to be my home. What really enchanted me about this property was the history of it. It's from the late 1800s, and all the structure depends on wooden beams that you can still see now, and we uncovered during the refurbishment. So it's just very magical to feel that you are living in a place with this history. These walls are alive because they are constantly moving. We refurbished completely this property, but of course we respected the history of it. As you can see, the balconies, they have the original railings. One of the challenges from this apartment was the light. Because the streets are very narrow, we don't get a lot of light, so the architects had a great idea of hide the lights, and they did a beautiful work because they mimic daylight. Every light that was exposed needed to have some personality. I wasn't going to settle for just standard lighting. I like to challenge people to think differently about decoration. When the architects start seeing all my choices of colors and mixing patterns, they say, "Are you sure about this?" I want drama in my house. I want drama, and this is it. My biggest passion is art, antiques, and vintage furniture and decoration. So anything that tells a story, that has color, I'm dragged to those things. There's a photography of Robbie McIntosh, and it's a photography of a man sunbathing in Naples in the beach, and it has a tattoo that says, "Tutto passa," to remind me every day that everything passes. Just walking through the street, I look around and I found this special edition of Amelie. That is one of my favorite films ever. It's just so special to me. It makes me smile every time that I open it and I look to the pictures. What I tried to achieve in the bedrooms was to make you feel in a cocoon, like protected, a place where you can rest, but also that challenge you creatively, that you have a lot of art in the bedrooms also. They can tell it's my style. I chose this very long hall to showcase my art. I love it because it just gives you a better experience of my art and my creative process. We were very lucky with the social areas. We were thinking what to do with the half of this room. And of course, my husband right away, he said, "We're gonna have a bar." I wasn't allowing him to make any decisions regarding decorations. So he said, "The only thing that you can give me is a bar, please." So he succeeded. When I started this project, for me was very important to reflect really who we are as a family. We have been moving for 20 years now from country to country, and we chose this place to call home, and I wasn't going to compromise. This house represents a lot to me because it gives me a space to freely express myself. And the best compliment that you can get in interior design is when somebody comes to your home and tells you, this is so you. So this is me.